Hello people, so today we're going to be fixing the Unity editor getting stuck and not downloading or adding anything onto the editor itself, such as WebGL or Android. The link for this is above, and this is where you go to download any and all of the add-on packages, such as WebGL or the Android build, and pick a Unity version there where the arrow is, and then go down and pick the operating system you've got, and literally click on whatever it is you want. So if you want WebGL, if you want Android, just click download, and once it is downloaded, you go to where you download file, run it as administrator, follow the on-screen instructions from there. Once that's installed, which is just a normal installation process, that's why I haven't shown it, it will then appear here. That's literally how simple it is. It really is simple, and it should fix the problem.